The rule of law is the idea that no one is above the law, not leaders, not government officials, and not ordinary citizens. It means that power must always be exercised according to established rules, not personal wishes. This principle protects people from abuse, creates fairness, and gives stability to society. For the rule of law to work, laws themselves must be clear, public, and applied equally. People need to know what the law requires so they can live without fear of sudden or unfair punishment. A crime like theft, for example, should be treated the same way whether it is committed by a rich person or a poor person, a citizen or a government minister. Strong institutions make this possible. An independent judiciary ensures that disputes are resolved fairly. Police and government agencies must enforce the law without corruption or favoritism. Citizens also need access to justice, meaning courts and legal support should be open to everyone, not just the wealthy or powerful. The rule of law also strengthens democracy. Elections allow citizens to choose leaders, but the rule of law makes sure that even elected leaders cannot misuse their power. It acts as a safeguard, protecting fundamental rights and ensuring that justice applies to all. In short, the rule of law is the foundation of justice and equality. Without it, laws become tools of power. With it, they become protections for freedom. A society that truly lives under the rule of law is one where every individual, no matter their status, is treated with fairness and dignity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning more about law and society, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload.